Welcome back to the Dadskillz car channel and the continuation of the Mini Cooper project. You saw in the last video that I Raptor sprayed my replacement subframe, put all the bits back on, got it on the car. I'm waiting for one bolt for the wishbone ball joint. And it's actually a bolt off a Porsche, which is nice. In this one, we tackle the struts. To be totally honest with you, I'm still tackling the struts, but I've done one, and that's exactly what I'm going to replicate with the other one, although the other one is not playing ball at the moment, but we'll have a look at that later. So, let's have a look what I did to renovate the struts. Ah! The first thing to go was the top mount. One of them, I don't know which one, but they can both go, was making a banging noise. I think that's quite a common fault on the Mini. So we'll squeeze up the spring, take the top mount off, and we'll swap that over with a new second-hand part that I bought off eBay. The struts and springs themselves on both sides look absolutely fine, so they can stay. Next thing to go is that bottom ball joint. Both bottom ball joints got wrecked when I took them off the car, so they can be replaced. I won't be attaching the new one just yet though, because we want to paint the hub carrier up. Now to take off all the caliper and the caliper hanger. Now what I learned from this one was, as I haven't got a vise, I could have done with them being on that heavy leg so that they didn't move when I tried to attack them with the wire brush on the drill. So that's what I'll learn for the next one. We'll keep those on there. Attack it with the drill first, and then we can take them all off. Now, there is a bit of a lip on this disc, but this time next year I hope to replace the pads and discs all round when I do the rear subframe, so they'll do 12 months. Now, before I paint this up, I'm going to attack it with some rust converter. just to give it the best chance we can. And then when that's dry, we'll paint on some Hammerite, some matte look Hammerite. I could have sprayed it, but this gave me just a little bit more precision than I would have got with the spray can. So 2 coats of Hammerite, and we end up looking a lot smarter. And now we can turn our attention to the caliper and caliper hanger, which is going to be a nice red colour. Now this probably took about 10 coats to get it anywhere near where I wanted it, but I reckon it's worth it. And then it's just a case of putting it all back together. So we've got some nice new dust shield bolts there, just to hold that Raptor spray dust shield on. Then we've got our bottom ball joint going on. I made a mistake. Can you see I've already put the caliper hanger on? Well, that was a mistake. I had to take that back off so I can put the disc on. There we go, taking it off. Put the disc on, caliper hanger back on, brake pads back in, and then the caliper on, and we are sorted. And how does it look on? Well, it was great, I reckon. It's ready to go. We've got brake hose ready to attach, but we'll record that in a later video when we try and bleed it all up. Looking good. Hopefully, that should keep it looking a bit more respectable. Now, I didn't record the second one because I thought it'll just be the same as the other one. The other one was relatively straightforward. Brake pads for it. Still got a load of meat on them. So let's take a look. And I'm really struggling with this one. I've snapped off numerous bits. Can't get these out. Just to be able to get the hanger off, I've had to take the wheel bearing out. And so as bonkers as it sounds for this one, it might just be easier to buy a second-hand one of these for about 30 quid off eBay that looks in better condition. Just because I cannot for the life of me get these out, and on the actual wheel bearing, I can't get that out to take the take the disc off. So, and as you can see, I've broken about 2 or 3 tools trying to get that off. So it may be that I have to drill that out and see where we go from there. So more progress on the Mini Cooper. It's getting there. Last thing to do, I'm still waiting for my engine stand so that I can get the gearbox off, get it on the stand, and we can start changing gaskets, get the head off, and all that sort of stuff. But that will be in the next episode. But until next time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you again really soon. Cheers.